Hey guys, it's Anaya Garcia here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a section of the Mommy Millionaires Club, the course. Here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a section within the Mommy Millionaires Club, a course called Mommy Skills. And within this course, this is where we show you basically how to create or generate a stable income off of the skills that you already have. And this is basically the motto of Laptop Mommies and the Mommy Millionaires Club. Like, as mothers, we are the type of people to be able to go into the kitchen cabinet or go inside the refrigerator and whip something up out of nothing. And that's the thing. We can do this in real life when it comes to business as well. And as mothers, we need to harness our power and understand our power and really use it to the best of our ability in order to create a financial, stable environment for our children. So basically, the Mommy Skills course, basically showing moms how they can generate an income based off the skills that they already have. I know that you're probably thinking, what skills do I have? I'm just a mom. Like, I fold laundry, I take care of kids all day. Like, I don't really have a skill. And I'm here to tell you that you do have a skill. Now, I will say that the Digital Nomad course within the Mommy Millionaires Club is not a course that is going to accumulate you millions. But I will say that it is a course that can accumulate you some sort of cash flow in order for you to sustain yourself and then ultimately branch out or invest in other lines of business or even expand your business within that field. Like, hiring more people or, overall just generating more income within your field. But this is the best way to basically, get some sort of cash flow going. Like, if you're someone that's really like on their last limb, you don't have really much going, you don't really have a cash flow or a source of income coming in, this is a really, really great place to start, because this ultimately is showing you how to basically sign yourself up to certain websites, put your resume up, and basically look to be hired for work. And the work includes things like typing, emailing people, posting on people's social media, things that we already do on a day-to-day basis. So it's not really something that you need elaborate amounts of skills for. Like, you can legitimately be someone's virtual assistant and get paid on a weekly basis from your home just by copying and pasting information or emailing certain clients back or even working their customer service system. Sometimes people don't even have any returns or any customer service, so it's as easy as checking an email once a day. You go and check the person you work for's email, and there's nothing there, and boom, your job is done. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to be your only. Honestly, I had to get up and get my Uber Eats, so I don't really know where I left off, but moral of the story is saying, like, be open-minded and understand that we really do have skills within us. We do have the resources within us to create some sort of financial freedom and also abundance within our life. It is our birthright to live abundantly. So just because you feel like you don't really have a skill that you can bring to this world, understand that if you just look at your day-to-day life and just appreciate, who you are as a person, you can bring some sort of value to somebody else. Understanding that just your day-to-day skills, like posting on social media, emailing people, can ultimately generate you an income. You could get from $300 to $800 a week just from answering somebody's emails. And this is really, really great cash flow. And then, once you start branching out and maybe gaining more clients, then you're going to ultimately create more of an income, and then maybe you'll have to hire somebody, or you'll end up investing into something else that the Laptop Mommies does provide information on, because there are no limits to streams of income. But I just wanted to make this video, to give a little bit more information on what it is to become a digital nomad and how it is that we do make money off of mommy skills in general. So I hope that this video was somewhat helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.